Hello and welcome to another Mazda video. This time it will be fog lights, foggy LED upgrade, not update, upgrade. It will be pretty simple, but you will need to jack up the car a little bit. So let me show you what's up. As I've done this many times, and on the videos, if you look behind, if you go through the videos, I jack up the car so many times that you guys already know from the top of your head. Put the jack underneath. This is the cover for the bottom and to get to the fog lights. This is the GH model before facelift. So right here, actually you don't even need to take the bumper off. The bumper can stay, because right here, if you can see right here, there is the wheel arch. This is always covering, and here are like screws, and in the middle right here. And then you can just lift like, look, lift it down. And then you can reach with your hand. You can reach your hand inside and move the bulb, see? Now, and let me show you inside. See, the fog lights right here. And if you look the inside, but if by hand you can always grab and see right here. Right here is the plug, see? This plug right here. I know it's hard to see it because it's under the bumper. See, here's a horn on this side. The horn is here, and behind the horn you should be able to feel it with your hand. And once you feel by hand, you'll be able to turn. See, it moves. So I can touch by hand. I feel the tab by hand. See, my hand is there. There you go. See, I got the plug. The plug has this tab right here. You need to push the tab and it comes off. So now you can go back in, twist the bulb, and voila, here it comes. So you twist it up like that. So anti-clockwise and clockwise. Now let's get the new bulbs. So the old one and the new one. So you can see that's quite a difference, isn't it? So let's install the new one on this side. I know there is light. I put the light especially for you guys, otherwise you wouldn't be able to see anything. Yeah, it's fully seated. Now just looking through the fog light itself. Hi, there it is. Now we just need to find a way how it goes in and rotates. Oh, there you go. Yeah, and it's there. Nice, it's done. It's solid, it's done there. Okay, nice. So this is upgraded. And this one, you can see it's still the old bulb. So let's turn on the lights, turn on the foggies and compare. Alright, there you go. Look at that foggy. Look at that fog light. And the old one. I like that. That looks really nice. Damn, that's good. That's real good. Okay, time to do the other one. And this is the same as just put the hand in, just wiggle it out till you see it. Oh, yeah, got it. And now I can turn it and pull it out. There you go. Oh shit. Oh no. What they wanna do me now? What the heck? What the heck I can do now? That ain't good. This is all. That's not material that's been specially added on. That thing has been added on.
20 minutes later.
Update. I got this one out. I had to mangle around quite a lot, and I took the multiple rotary tool. I took out the rotary tool to grind off all the slasher they put on. I have a cutting disc, 180 wheel, a drill bit, and a sharp pointer. at the end to figure out that this plug has been busted. No, you can plug things in and they actually latch. This latch won't really matter. But this had been mounted and they just thought we just slasher it all around and it will work, it will work. Yeah, it works. But to plug it in and plug it out, it doesn't work. So what's the fucking point of doing that? So now I can do the upgrade and I'll put zip ties around because these LEDs, because these are LEDs, they won't heat up that much. And once I plug in the loom, I'll check if this lights up and there aren't any errors. So then, yep, it's plugged. Now I can put a cable tie around like that, like this way, and this way. So it's all clamped in. So I'll bring you back once all this is on the car and the bumper is back on the car, and then we try out the beams. The fog lights, sorry, not beams. Alrighty then, I assembled everything, and you can see here is one, here's an LED light, and here's an LED light. Now let's turn this on and see how it will look. I did a surgery on that one, so let's see if it will look good. Oh damn! Oh damn! That looks good! Damn boy! Damn, that looks awesome! I couldn't be happier, even though I know that one is ruined, it's all wrecked. Couldn't be happier. Look at it, look how it looks. Oh my god, that brings it up to the modern days, to the 2023. 100% approved. And I'm looking for an LED strip. So it's like for the headlight or somewhere there. I'm still searching for it. It's a it's a load of a mess. I'll tell you that next time. Hope you liked the video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.